So this problem is about a sector and how to find its area. Now the sector is the piece of pie in this circle. And we learned two ways to do this. Two ways to find the area. One way was by saying that the area of this sector is a certain fraction of the whole circle's area. And the other way was setting up a proportion, where the proportion on both sides of the equation is part over whole. Part degrees over the whole 360 degrees, and in this case, part area, the green part, divided by the whole area, which is the circle. All right, first, let's do it with the fractional strategy. So this sector is 80 degrees out of 360 degrees, and that will be our fraction. And we'll multiply that fraction by the whole area of the circle, which is pi times radius squared. So 80 3/60ths of the entire circle will give us the area of this sector, because it's 80 3/60ths of the whole circle. Over on the right side, if we use the proportion, it's really similar. The part degrees is 80, while the whole degrees is 360. And on the other side of the equation, the part area, which is the area of that sector we're looking for, divided by the whole area, which is the area of the circle. Okay, let's go ahead and simplify this. The 10 divides in 80 and 360. In other words, leaving us with 8 over 36. And that reduces to 2 9ths. We're going to multiply that by pi times 22 squared, which is pi times 484. So 2 9ths times 484. Remember, you can multiply the numerators. 2 times 484 is 968. 9 gets multiplied by 1 on the bottom, so it just stays 9. And we'll use our calculator to estimate this to the nearest square centimeter. Over here, remember, rewrite your equal sign. Start with that. Then, on the top left, cross, multiply, and bounce back. So that's 80 times pi times 22 squared, which is 484. And then on the other side, area of the sector times 360, bounce back, gives us 360 times the area of the sector. So all we have to do is divide both sides by 360, and then we'll have the area of the sector, which is this. And we put that in our calculator. It comes out to be exactly the same thing as 968 over 9, which to the nearest square centimeter is, it's about 338 square centimeters. Final answer.